The Wusthof sleeve I bought separately and I have no complaints. The Wusthof Purple Yam knife is gorgeous. However, this is the second one I've received and there are specs on the handle. I'm not going to return it a second time. However, I thought I should let everybody know, if you are OCD like me and want a gorgeous handle, they are coming in, I believe, with specs on the handles and they do not come off. The first knife I received had red specs on it and more. This one, I believe, just has 3 black, greenish specs on them. I did just want to let everybody know. I'm also letting Wusthof and the third-party seller know.